Hi, this is Brahmam. I was explaining about the mini case study. In this mini case study, we have three subtopics: balance statement, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement. In this mini case study, the financial statements are set on of important financial documents on high detailed summary of TAD's financial well-being and performing. The TADS company is evaluating the company's financial activities and activities of portable, how easily it meets the obligations of overall financial health. The financial statements usually created a shared regular like quarters of the regulators. The balance sheet of 2000 TAT's balance sheet of 2018 and 19. The balance sheet of documents shows the financial and in this calculation, we will see about the balance sheet of December 31st and 2018. The cash flow is 28,372, activities available 20,104, inventory current assets 338,000, fixed assets 3 lakh 44,881. The overall total assets is 3 lakh 46,557. Sunset Board's balance sheet of December 31st, 2019. Cash is increased and accounts receivable is increased. Everything comparing to the 2018 and 2019, the total assets is doubled. In this, the analysis, the fact increased current assets of 2019 positive sign. Long-term debit having higher amount of long-term debit might pose potential weakness. Owner's equity. The notable rise owner's equity is more and good implies fixed assets. The company also has been implements the significant strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. The facts were notable rise in the owner's equity between 2018 and positive aspects. Weakness. The weakness can be identified the fact long-term debit has increased from 1,23,672 in 2018 to 1,40,000 in 2019. Income statement of 2018 and 19. The income statement, often known as profit and loss of statement, summarizes the company financial performance during fiscal year. Important aspects: the interest expenses. The expenses went from 12,067 to 13,831, possible because it takes more debit or facing higher interest rates. Income, net income debates. The net income went up to 58,000 to the show's probability of growing on the other hand. Strengths and weaknesses. The company showed steady rate revenue growth, which sales increased from 3,84,724 to 4,70,172. Weaknesses. Income statement represents the historical data, and it's important to the remember that every point we can calculate the conditions of subject to the old wise to the comprehensive market analysis. Cash flow statement. The company statements can cash flows the generates cash from core operations, inverts the assets, divides the rise of evaluate company finances. The company operating the cash flows probability of good working capability. Here we can see in the calculation of cash flow operations increases decreases in assets of investigation. The cash flow from financing activities increase in long-term debit, decrease in equality and new equality. Cash flow financing net increase in cash and cash beginning of the cash beginnings. Finance much activities imply TAD raise capital, but long-term delegation must be considered and analyze the data. Strengths and weaknesses are assess impress TAD skills, securing funds through the long-term debit, And weakness cash flow does not give specific information and investments. Expansion and advice to make informed decision wherever we expand the businesses. Evaluate potential probability and expansion of plan to determine the will generate sufficient returns. Advantage is increasing the current assets, which refers the amount or cash assets can be easily converted. Thank you.